Hello, welcome to day 2, reading. All right, again, we have the great opportunity to take a look at a piece of poetry. You'll notice in the corner that the mentor text always has these special poetry out loud. There's some poetry that feels good to read aloud. It has a rhythm, kind of a beat to it, might I say. And this particular poem, Casey at the Bat, is written by a famous author. Okay, and this information that I'm going to read to you is right in the bottom of your mentor text here. But the author's name is Ernest Lawrence Thayer. It says Ernest Lawrence Thayer was a writer and a poet. He wrote the poem Casey at the Bat for a San Francisco newspaper. The poem was largely ignored when it was published. The poem grew more popular when a comedy actor and singer named William DeWolf Hopper began reciting the poem before theater audiences. The poem went on to become one of the most famous poems in American history. All right, so have fun with this one today. Now, you might want to listen to it on Benchmark one time, but try reading it aloud at least one time and maybe a few until you can kind of find the rhythm of this poem. Okay, and when you're done reading or after you've read it a few times, I want you to just think today, how does the poem relate to the text you read yesterday? So if you remember, I'm going to flip back because what we read yesterday was called Sparring Partners. So can you make any connections between sparring partners and the poem Casey at Bat? All right, enjoy. I hope you have fun reading this poem. And for those of you that are really into theater, this would be a great one to read aloud to your family as well.